You may be wondering why this video opens with music instead of a sales pitch. Here's why. Because real engineering has a pulse. It runs smooth when the load hits. It responds with authority. And it never sounds synthetic. Anyone can generate noise. We design and sell harmony. Bring us the best DIY off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer-lasting, higher-performance, top-name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.
Not for me. I'm powered up endlessly. Wires and meters are history. Sunlight's free and so am I. High electric bills say goodbye. DIY solar saves the day. Blackouts fade and bills go away. Power's mine in every way. DIYsolar.com. Hey, hey.
We use only the finest inverters, switchgear, and batteries in our DIY battery backup systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to failure caused by lightning strikes and high inrush current exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency iron core transformer-based inverters, built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. You won't find bargain-grade electronics in this system. Only heavy-duty, low-frequency, transformer-based inverters built by Schneider Electric, headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. Backed by 160,000 employees and over 1 million partners in more than 100 countries, Schneider Electric is consistently recognized as one of the most sustainable and trusted energy technology companies on the planet.